How to report a missing item from a ride in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen to view your ride history. Next, find a specific ride where you think you lost your item. Tap on that ride to open the trip details. Scroll down until you see the option that says I lost an item or something similar. Tap on it to proceed. Now, Grab will show you some instruction and ask for details about the item you lost. You may be asked to provide a short description, the time you noticed it was missing, and any other relevant information that could help the driver identify it. After entering the details, you'll usually see a button to contact the driver. Grab allows a direct call or message within the app, depending on your location and the time since the ride ended. If you are unable to contact the driver, there will be a support option to report the issue to Grab's customer service. Grab may also send you an update via the email or app about the status of your report. Be sure to keep an eye out for notification and respond if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to report a missing item from a ride in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.